ಜೈ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುದೇವ್. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಬೋರೇಗೌಡ. ನಾನು ಶ್ರೀ ಆದಿಚುಂಚನಗಿರಿ ಕಲಾ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಕಾಲೇಜು ನಾಗಮಂಗಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭೌತಶಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕನಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಈ ದಿನ ರಿವಿಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ತೃತೀಯ BSc 6ನೇ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಭೌತಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಪೇಪರ್ 1ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಪೇಪರ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಮ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 3ನೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವೇವ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ is very important for examination purpose because in this chapter asking 2 problems for main examination for out of the 4 problems. ಮೇನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಈ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ. ಈ ಪೇಪರ್ 4 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ವೇವ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ problems on wave mechanics. Now I am going to problem number 1. Calculate the energy of neutron whose de Broglie wavelength is 1 angstrom. Mass of neutron equals 1.6747 × 10⁻27 kg. Write down given. Mass of the neutron equals small m 1.6747 × 10⁻27 kg. Given de Broglie wavelength lambda 1 angstrom. Angstrom converted into meter. Therefore write down 1 × 10⁻10 meter. Calculate energy of neutron. E equals capital E equals question mark. We know that Planck constant H equals 6.625 × 10⁻34 joule second. Write down the formula according to de Broglie wavelength relation. Lambda equals h divided by square root of 2me. But calculate the energy above formula, rearrange and squaring on both sides. Then energy formula is coming equals h square divided by 2m lambda square. Then substitute h value, m and lambda value, then calculate. The answer is coming energy of neutron equals capital E equals 1.310 × 10⁻20 joule. In our problem asking is energy converted into electron, then write down converted into electron volt, then multiply to the charge of the electron. Charge of the electron, we know that 1.6 × 10⁻19 coulomb, then multiply, answer is coming to electron volt. Then finally write down the answer and SI unit also. SI unit ಅನ್ನು ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. SI unit ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. SI unit is very important. ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಜೌಲ್ವರೆಗೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಏನಾದರೂ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವೋಲ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ನ ಬರೀಬೋದು. ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೂ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬೋದು, ಏನೂ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ 2. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ de Broglie wavelength of neutron moving with kinetic energy 54 electron volt. Given the mass of neutron equals 1.657 × 10⁻27 kg. Given Planck constant small h equals 6.625 × 10⁻34 joule second. In this problem given kinetic energy Ek is equal to 54 electron. I already told that is converted into joule because kinetic energy is given to electron volt. Converted into joule, multiply charge of the electron 1.6 × 10⁻19, then converted into joule, answer is 8.64 × 10⁻18 joules. Planck constant given, write down 6.625 × 10⁻34 joule second. Mass of the neutron small m equals 1.657 × 10⁻27 kg. where lambda equals question mark because to calculate the de Broglie wavelength We know that kinetic energy formula of m square ek equals, then calculate the velocity of electron, so velocity of neutron, velocity of electron or velocity of neutron. Calculate kinetic energy formula is rearrange. V square is equal to 2ek by m, then velocity formula is coming, then substitute kinetic energy and mass of the electron, mass of the neutron, then velocity of neutron is coming, then answer is 1.020 into 10 power plus 5 meter per second. Write down SI unit is very important. Then you know that relation for the de Broglie wavelength lambda equals h by me. All the values substitute, then calculate. Answer is lambda is equal to 3.919 into 10 to the power minus 12. We are converting into nanometer, shifting 0.00391 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter or nanometer. Then problem is over. Dear student, understand? Then problem number 3. The eigenvalues of electron is confined to the one-dimensional box of size 0.2 nanometer is 37.68 electron volt. First of, what is the order of the excited state? It is the one-dimensional box related formula, then given to L equals 0.2 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Nano means 10 to the power minus 9. Right? I have already told that the energy is given to electron volt converted into joule multiplied to the charge of the electron. Answer is 6.028 into 10 to the power minus 18 joule. Then mass of the electron equals 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 34 kg. Planck constant is given 6.625 into 10 to the power 34 joule second. Then in this problem, calculate the order of existed state n equals question mark small n. We know that energy formula for the one-dimensional box E equals n square s square divided by 8 ml square. Then rearrange above formula. N square equals 80 ml square by s square, because to calculate the order, substitute E, M, L and H value, then calculate. Order is coming 1.99, then approximately or equal to 2, then write down order n equals to 2. There is no SI unit because it is the order. Then going to problem number 4. Problem number 4. The position and momentum of 1 kilo electron are simultaneously determined if its position is located within 0.4 nanometer. What is the percentage of uncertainty in its momentum? This problem is related to the Heisenberg uncertainty related formula problems. I think we are write down the Heisenberg uncertainty relations. First of all, you are write down the given E equals 1 kilo electron volt. Kilo means 10 to the power plus 3 electron volt, then convert into joule. I told that already is multiply that charge of the electron, then converted into joule. Electron volt is converted into joule. Then answer is C coming 1.16 10 to the power minus 16 joule. Where delta x means change in position is given 0.4 nanometer. Nano means 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Momentum, where equals momentum relation P equals square root of 2 me. Mass is given, energy is given, substitute, then momentum is 1.706 into 10 to the power minus 23 kg meter per second. Write down the relation. Heisenberg uncertainty principle state that product of the change in position into change in momentum is equal to Planck constant. Means delta x into delta p equals h. Then calculate the change in momentum delta p, modified that above relation delta p is equal to h divided by delta x. Then calculate the change in momentum, but it is the percentages of the uncertainty in its momentum. Calculate, asking for even the fourth problem number 4. So percentage in uncertainty formula is equal to delta p by p into 100. Change in momentum divided by momentum into 100 percentage. Then answer is coming. Calculate 9.70 percentage. Answer is uncertainty. Percentages of the uncertainty momentum is 9.70. Problems is over. Then problem number 6. Problem number 6. Calculate the first two permitted energy level of electron in a box, one-dimensional box, 1.5 angstrom. Why? And infinite height is given. H equals 6.625 into 10⁻34 joule second. Then mass of the electron small m equals 9.1 into 10⁻37 kg. Write down given. L equals 1.5 into 10 meter, means angstrom is converted. I already told that angstrom, 1 angstrom is equals 1 into 10 meter. Angstrom ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ 10 meter ತರ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Then given to Planck constant h equals 6.625 into 10⁻34 joule second, and mass of the electron is given small m 9.1 into 10⁻34 kg. In this problem, asking to calculate the two permitted energy level, capital E1 equals question mark, capital E2 equals question mark. In this problem is related to one-dimensional box. Write down the energy formula for the energy level formula for the one-dimensional box. Already told that we know that E equals n square h square divided by 8ml square. Is a first order equals n equals 1 and second order n equals 2. Substitute all the value, then energy is coming to joule, then converted into electron volt. Then what are we doing? Is divided by 1.6 into 10⁻19. Then converted into electron volt, 16.743 electron volt. Answer coming. Similarly, second order, second permitted energy level, here E2 n square s square divided by 8ml square. We substitute all the value, all n equals to, because it is the second order, then converted into electron volt divided by charge of the electron, 66.98 electron volt. Then problem is over. Next problem number 7. Problem number 7. Calculate the 0-point energy of a system. 0-point energy of a system confined to move only in one direction, consisting of mass 0.5 into 10⁻³ kg, connected to a fixed point of by a spring which is stretched by 100 millimeter by force of 10⁻² Newton is given. It is the one-dimensional harmonic oscillator related formula. Then write down given m equals 0.5. M means mass, small m 0.5 into 10⁻³ kg. Force 10⁻³ Newton, where this x equals 10 into 10⁻³ kg. Then given to the x equals 10 into 10 millimeter. Spring is a weight of the spring equals 10 into 10⁻³. We know that force constant, force is directly proportional to the x minus k is the force constant. Is opposite direction, negative sign indicates that. We have calculated the force constant k, then modified the formula where answer is 1. We are calculate the frequency nu equals relation formula is a frequency spring. Frequency of the spring nu equals 1 divided by 2 pi into square root of k by when frequency is equal to 7.11 Hz. The simple harmonic oscillator energy formula E equals 1 by 2 h nu. Then substitute all the value. Answer is converted into electron volt. Divided by charge of the electron. Then answer equals 1.47 minus 14 electron volt. 14 electron volt. The answer is over. Then problem number 8. Calculate the uncertainty in the position of an electron which has been accelerated through a potential difference, means velocity v 1000 plus or minus 6 volt, 1000 plus or minus 6 volt, then v equals 1000 plus or minus 6 volt, then v equals 1000 and plus v1 and v2 is a change in velocity, potential difference plus 6 volt and minus 6 volt. V equals plus or minus v2 minus v1, change in potential difference. We are calculate change in potential difference equals, then calculate the potential difference occurs v2 minus v1 plus 6 minus into minus plus 12 volt is the uncertainty volt. Delta V is equal to 12 volt. We know that momentum relation P is equal to square root of 2me, but E is equal to E into V, charge of the electric field, E equals to V. Then calculate is modified from the root V uncertainty formula. Substitute delta Px is equal to delta V into delta x is equal to, then substitute delta Px is equal to 1.023 into 10 power minus 25. Then modified that, where delta Px is equal to square root of 2me into 1 divided by root v into delta Vx. That delta x is delta Px is equal to change in position of the momentum equals 1.023 into 10 power minus 25. Then write down the Heisenberg uncertainty relation. Delta Px into delta x equals h. A change in position into change in momentum is equal to Planck constant. To calculate the change in position, delta x equals h divided by delta Px. The answer is 6.47 10 power minus 9 nanometer or shifted 1.647 angstrom. This is one of the important problem. We are find out the position delta x. Then this problem is over. Then problem number 9. An electron is confined to a move between two rigid walls, separation by 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. Find the de Broglie representing past 3 allowed energy state or 3 permitted energy state and corresponding energies. We are given to the calculate the lambda equals question mark lambda 2 equals question mark lambda 3. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength and corresponding energy state. We know that En is equal to n square s square divided by 8 ml square. Calculate the energy, substitute all the value, where n equals first order, substitute, answer is equal to 6.20 10 to the power minus 20 joule volt. Then answer second order, multiply n equals to, then E1 to E1 formula, E2 is equal to 2 E1 n square 2 E1, then 2 square equals 4, answers will multiply, then 19 joule. Again 3 is equal to n square, means n equals 3 into E1. E1 is 6.028. 9 into 6 point answer is equal to 5.425 into the power minus joule. We are calculate the energy level 3 energy level E1 and E2 and E3, E1, E2, E3. Then calculate the wavelength. Wavelength in this formula, we know that wavelength. Calculate the wavelength. Lambda n is equal to h divided by square root of 2me. n equals 1, 2, 3. First order, second order. I already calculated En. Then lambda n is equal to, it is the de Broglie wavelength. Lambda n is equal to h divided by square 2me. N means is nth order. N equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N etc. N is calculated is a 2 nanometer. First one. Second one is lambda 2 9.9 angstrom. Lambda 3 equals 6.6 angstrom. Then problem number 10. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength associated with the thermal neutrons at room temperature 27 degrees Celsius. Given to temperature, this degree Celsius is converted into Kelvin to add 273. 273 plus 27 is equal to 300 Kelvin. It is the monatomic order n equals 3. Planck constant H. Mass of the neutron given K is force constant. K equals 1.3 into 10 to the 23. Sorry, Boltzmann constant. Capital K is not force constant, is a Boltzmann constant. Formula lambda is equal to h divided by mn kt into n, multiply all the values, temperature T, n order is a Boltzmann constant K and Planck constant. Then answer is equal to 1.45 angstrom. In this problems, today class, revision class is over. Problems is over, dear student. Useful this all problems, everyone. Stay at your home. Take care for your health. Thank you one and all.